Hi everyone, my name is Khushi and I am currently pursuing BA LLB at the School of Law, Lovely Percussion University. Today I am going to share a quick review of the law program here, including the course structure, classes, infrastructure, practical training, fees, placements and the overall law statistics. First, let's talk about the course structure. The School of Law at LBU offers three main programs: BA LLB Honors, BBA LLB, which are 5-year integrated law programs, and a 3-year LLB program for graduates. The integrated programs run across 10 semesters over 5 years, where students study core legal subjects along with areas like political science, business, economics. According to the NRIF rankings 2025, LPU is ranked 26th in the law among all government and private universities in India. Now coming to the classes and infrastructure, law classes at LPU are conducted in digitally equipped classrooms with smart boards and presentation systems, where students regularly work on case studies, legal research, assignments, and discussions on landmark judgments. The School of Law also has dedicated practice courtrooms where students simulate real courtroom proceedings. In these sessions, students practice case arguments, legal drafting, witness examination, trial simulations, which helps them develop practical courtroom skills. Apart from regular classes, students also participate in legal debates, judgment writing competitions, and crime counseling sessions, which improve their legal reasoning and advocacy abilities. During the course, students are encouraged to complete multiple internships of around 4 to 6 weeks with the law firms, courts, and corporate legal departments so that they gain real legal exposures before graduations. If we talked about the fees, the annual tuition fee for the integrated law program is approximately Rs 2.5 lakh to Rs 3 lakh per year. Depending on scholarship, so far, the entire fee program, the total academic fee is roughly between Rs 14 lakh to Rs 17 lakh. The student can also receive financial support through LPU NIS and other merit-based scholarships. Now let's talk about placement. The highest package recorded as a law graduate from LBU has reached around Rs 23.7 lakh per annum, while the average package for a top performing law students is around Rs 9.77 lakh per annum. Every year, around 40 or more legal and corporate recruiters visit the campus offering roles such as legal associate, corporate legal advisor, litigation associate, compliance officers in many branches. Around 70 to 80% of law students secure placements and over 80% gain internships opportunities during the course. Overall, the School of Law at Lovely Profession University focuses on combining academic knowledge, practical courtroom training, and professional exposure. Thank you for watching.